The review of literature mainly focuses on Western personalist thinkers and lacks broader perspectives such as African, feminist, or indigenous views of personhood. It also stays abstract without applying Crosby's ideals to real-life issues, and does not fully address criticisms or the relational and historical dimensions of selfhood. Expanding in these areas would make the review more complete and balanced. So I ask whether, do different cultural traditions agree that dignity is inherent, or do they define it in other ways? To this, I answer that dignity is seen as universal, but its meaning depends on culture. I say this because different traditions see dignity differently. Western thought often says dignity is inherent in every person. Second, Confucian ethics linked it to fulfilling roles. And third, indigenous views connect it to harmony with land and relationships. Objections include the following. One objection is that answer oversimplifies complex traditions by summarizing them too briefly. Second is that it creates a false divide suggesting Western thought values only the individual while other cultures value on only community. Third objection is that it generalizes entire traditions, like indigenous or African, without recognizing the diversity within them. To this, I answer that, first, the answer is simplified for clarity, but it can be expanded to show the depth of each tradition. Second, while it highlights differences, it does not deny that all traditions value both individuality and community. Third, using broad terms like indigenous or African gives a general view, but it can be refined by naming specific thinkers or communities. In conclusion, different traditions recognize human dignity but ground it in distinct ways, some in individuality, others in community or harmony with nature. While summaries risk oversimplification or generalization, they still show that dignity is a universal value understood through diverse cultural senses. This reminds us to respect both the shared worth of every person and the unique ways cultures expresses it.